In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find saved photos on Pinterest. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you need to open the Pinterest app or go to the Pinterest website on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account because you won't be able to access your saved photos otherwise. So go ahead and enter your details if you're not logged in, and then we can move on to the next step. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on your profile picture. This is like your personal hub on Pinterest, where all your saved activity is stored. It's a helpful place to revisit all the amazing things you've collected. After you click on your profile picture, you'll be directed to your personal Pinterest profile. Here you should see a section labeled Saved. Click on that. This section is where you'll find all the pins you've saved over time. It's organized and easy to navigate, so you should see a good variety of images, articles, and inspirations that you've pinned. Now, as you look through this section, you might see an overwhelming number of pins. Don't worry, organizing yourself is super easy. If you have saved many boards, some of us have a few more than others, you might want to find a specific photo or board. Pinterest has a great feature to help with this. At the top of your Saved section, you'll notice a search option. You can use this handy search feature to quickly find the specific board or pin you have in mind. It's really simple. Just type in what you're looking for, and Pinterest will filter through your saved boards and pins. This can save you a lot of time, especially if you've pinned a lot of things over the years. Once you find the board that you believe has the photos you're looking for, just click on it. This will take you to that board, where you'll see all the related pins neatly lined up. Whether you're searching for recipe ideas, DIY crafts, or wardrobe inspiration, everything you've saved is just a click away. When you find the specific photo or pin that catches your eye, just click on it. When you do this, the full pin will open up for you. Here, you can see the image in greater detail, read any descriptions, and even follow the link that might direct you to the original source. It's a great way to re-engage with content that inspired you when you first saved it. And there you have it. Finding your saved photos on Pinterest is a straightforward task that can take just a few moments. With the right approach, you're able to continuously draw inspiration from all the content you've saved. Whether you're planning your next home project or looking for a new recipe to try, Pinterest can be your best friend. So the next time you're in need of some visual inspiration or ideas, remember this quick guide. And if you learned something new today, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for joining me, and happy pinning!